Your miter saw's fence is made up of 3 main components: the lower fence and 2 upper fence extensions. The extensions provide additional support for tall workpieces, such as crown or baseboard molding. The extensions can also be adjusted side to side, so the blade can be tilted for a bevel cut. Most problems with the extension fences are the result of accidental damage, such as hitting them with a long board, or something falling on the saw. Replacing the extension fences is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. Before making any repairs to your miter saw or any other power tool, make sure that you have it unplugged. The fence is secured to the saw with a lock knob. I loosen the knob, and then the fence just slides right off of the lower fence. To install the new fence, I slide it onto the lower fence and secure it with the knob. And that's all it takes to replace the fence on your DeWALT miter saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.